Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a group chat on Character.AI. Now, in order to do so, you need to be on the mobile application. You cannot do it unfortunately on the web version. So here, as you can see, I'm on my Character.AI account. Of course, you need to install the application on your phone and sign in with your account. And to create a group chat, it's pretty easy. You see the create option here at the bottom in the middle. Tap on it. And then here, tap on group chat. And here, tap at the bottom on create group chat. And here you can invite your friends, or if you want to or not. Okay, I'll just close it. Now, let's add characters to the chat. And here, let's search for example, anime. And let's add this anime guru. Okay, let's search once again. And let's search this time for Giga. Let's add Giga Chat to the chat here. Okay, let's search one more time for example, Bully. And let's add the Bully here to the chat. And now save the changes. And now you've created a group chat with 4 members, yourself and the 3 characters that you selected. And you can start sending messages here. And you can tap on the character you want to chat, let's say Giga Chat for example. Okay, and Giga Chat will reply to you. And let's send another message. Select another character to reply. Okay, and here it is. So we created now successfully a group chat. You can still go ahead and add members. Tap on the members at the top. And then add or remove characters here. You can add up to 10 characters. Sorry, I have 3, and I can add up to 10 characters in this group chat. And if I tap on the edit button here, or the pen icon next to the group chat name at the top, I can edit the group chat. So let's name it my chat, for example, save it, and now I've successfully changed the name.